Master the art of paraphrasing, summarizing key points and main ideas. Hello, English learners around the world. Today, we're going to tackle an exciting and important part of learning English, which is summarizing key points and main ideas in your own words. Paraphrasing is an essential skill not only in language learning but also in communication, as it allows us to convey complex information in a simpler, clearer way. Paraphrasing is the process of restating someone else's ideas using your own words. It involves understanding the original text, distilling its essential points, and expressing these points in a way that's unique to your voice and style. The goal is not to repeat the original text verbatim, but rather to show that you've grasped the message and can restate it in your own unique way. So, how do we paraphrase? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Read and understand the original text. This is crucial. Before attempting to paraphrase, you must understand what you're reading. If there are words you don't know, look them up. If you find sentences that confuse you, read them several times until they make sense. 2. Identify the main ideas and key points. After understanding the text, identify its main points. What's the message or argument being presented? What are the supporting details or examples? 3. Express the main ideas in your own words. Now, it's time to put your understanding into words. Avoid copying the original phrasing. Try to express the same ideas using different vocabulary and sentence structures. 4. Review and refine your paraphrase. Finally, compare your paraphrase with the original text. Have you kept the same meaning? If not, revise until you have. Now that we understand the process, it's time to practice. Consider starting with short paragraphs from books or articles. Practice paraphrasing these into 1 or 2 sentences that capture the main ideas. As you get more comfortable, you can start paraphrasing longer texts or even entire stories. Paraphrasing isn't just about academic texts, it's also handy for jokes and stories. When you hear a good joke or story, try retelling it in your own words. It can be a fun way to practice your English and storytelling skills at the same time. But remember, the key here is still to capture the main points or punchline, even if you change the details or the way the story is told. And that wraps up our session on paraphrasing. The ability to summarize key points and main ideas in your own words is a powerful tool in learning and communication. It not only shows your understanding of a text but also enables you to convey ideas in a way that's uniquely you. So, go out there and start paraphrasing. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.